Good morning, friends. My name is Trinity Infinity. I am your forever agent on the beautiful island of Maui. Today, I am headed off to church, and I'm really excited this morning to go to church because I haven't been in about 3 years. And every time I go, it's just a really nice spiritual awakening for me, and I feel like I gather so much new insights and knowledge and truth that I am getting clear on. I'm in the unknown of my life, and it can be a bit scary at times, but I know it's where all the magic exists, and I'm excited to embrace this journey and take you guys along with me. I thought it'd be fun to show you one of my new outfits. So I got this outfit from the Tribe. It's really cute and has like a nice little slit, but I feel like it's really good for an event like church. And then I'm wearing my new Nike Air Force Ones. And I got these socks that say like love and cute little embroidered things. I'm really excited. I am a realtor on this island, and I've been working really hard to build my business over the last year, and I feel that it's about to take off. And I'm really just doing the grounding steps to better myself and help this world as well with the truth and story that I have. I did get this fun embodiment deck. I forget what the course is called. It's really amazing. But essentially, I bought this course online, and it really helps you to figure out the questions to ask yourself and your body before you take action, because it's really important to listen to your body. And 24 of my years of my life, like up until probably last month, I would just force myself to do things I didn't really want to do, including like working a double on Sundays to pay my rent, when in reality I like going to church. I like doing things on Sunday. It seems to always be such a sunny, beautiful day, and I remember being at work wanting to be outside, so it's really nice to be able to enjoy and embrace the beauty and sunshine that today has to offer me. So I'm really feeling blessed and grateful that I'm able to do that today. I am having a solo adventure to church, and I am inviting all the new connections and blessings that are on their way to me. And I believe that I'm in alignment, so I'm really excited. But I thought it would be fun to pick a card with you guys. The embodiment course online, if any of you guys have any questions about it, please let me know. I would love to share the link with you because it's been absolutely life-changing for me. The course really helps you to understand how your body and feelings work, and to get those underlying thoughts and messages outside of your brain and onto paper, so that you can release and let them go. So yeah, another side note, my fun little light that I dropped in my smoothie still works, so looks like that's a great product. 10 out of 10. Ho-ham, I forget what these things are called, but super fun. And so yeah, I'm really excited for today. I'm taking every moment as it comes and really tuning into how I feel. I know and believe that I am safe and divinely protected at all times. Beautiful. My alarm just went off. I have to leave for church soon. So let's pick a card, any card. I already picked one for my other video, but then I was like, I should probably film it this way so I can post it on YouTube. So we're doing that too. So yeah, we're probably going to film it this way for the rest of the time and then pick and choose from here. So this one says, cleanse. Decluttering and cleansing one's space and life can have such profound effects on one's overall well-being. The only thing needed to receive the new in my life is to make room for its arrival. God bless, because I just did that. I took out 6 bags of trash. The only thing needed to receive the new in my life is to make room for its arrival. In what areas of my life is there a need for cleansing? Today, I will take the time to clean one area of my home that it is in need of care. So I believe that one of the areas that may need a little bit of cleaning is my refrigerator. So that's really the only last thing that I haven't cleaned. I did a huge deep clean of my entire house. So maybe we'll tackle that task today. We'll see. If not, definitely tomorrow. I'm excited to take you guys to church with me, so let's go. So guys, that was such a beautiful experience. I feel so uplifted and I feel so blessed to have experienced the peace in my surroundings and to have made new mindful connections and start my day with so much gratitude and blessings. You are not alone, and that inner peace, inner God is all within you and surrounding you at every moment. I pray that you all have such a beautiful, magical day, and I'm so grateful to enjoy this Sunday in my own inner peace and in my own inner being. And I pray you get some sunshine. Have a beautiful day.